Hello you guys, it's me Elise. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to combine images on iPhone without any third-party applications. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your shortcuts in App Library. So I'm typing in shortcuts. And then you can click on plus sign on the top right. Then name your shortcut later, or right now I'll name it later. Then click on add actions. Then search for photos. Then here click on select photos. Then click on the arrow sign and click on multiple, select multiple. Then you want to search for combine images, then add to shortcut. Then you want to add this vertically, and then you want to add save, and you want to save it to your photo gallery. So you want to rename this. I'm renaming it as making combined photos. So these are the only steps that you need to follow. So if you want to combine your photos, then click on the bottom right play button, and you can click on any photos and you will make a combined photo of your own. So this is a quick and easy way how to combine images on iPhone without any third-party application. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's me, Elise, signing off. I'll see you in the next one.